Ho, ho, ho. Want to make some dough? I can show you how. Just check out the link in my bio for Send It Academy, and you will learn everything in a video course, and we can get together and celebrate with a mug of cocoa. You can get all that you need for the holidays. You just have to follow these simple directions. Number 1, click that link. Number 2, check out the offer. And every single thing that you see happens for me. So if you've been watching me, you know that I write these every single day, every day. So what you're looking at right there is 50 envelopes. What's 50 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25, so this is $250 that I'm going to be able to convert. And the videos in the course teach you exactly how to convert, and then you can cash out. Do you want to join me? Hop aboard. Ho, ho, ho. Let's get some dough.